So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download RAM Map. It's made by Microsoft. Now once we're here, you want to click on download RAM Map. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the RAM Map zip file. You want to right click on it and then click on extract all. We can untick this box and then click on extract. And we should now have the RAM Map folder. Double click on it. You want to open up rammap.exe. It should have the largest file size out of all of them at 662 KB. You want to right click on it and then click on run as admin and then click on yes and then click on agree, and now this will come up. Now just to show you that it will clear the cache, you want to go to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to go to the performance tab and then click on memory. As you can see, 3.9 GB is currently cached. So to reduce this number, we're going to go to RAM Map. You want to click on empty on the top and then click on empty standby list. As you can see, it's now reduced. That's how you do it.